Looking for the best AI music maker? Let's compare Boomy AI and Suno AI to see which one wins. Boomy is perfect if you're just starting out. It's super easy to use. Pick a music style, click a button, and boom, you've got a song in seconds. No music skills needed. It's designed for speed and simplicity. You can even publish your songs to Spotify and earn money from streams. Suno AI is the power player. It creates full songs with vocals and lyrics from a simple text prompt. The quality is impressive, like radio-ready tracks. Suno gives you way more control over your music. You can write your own lyrics or let the AI do it. The songs sound professional and polished. Here's the big difference. Boomy makes decent background music and beats. It's good for content creators who need quick tracks. But Suno, it's on another level. The vocals sound real, the instruments are clear, and the overall production quality beats most AI tools out there. Boomy wins for beginners. The interface is clean and simple. You don't need to know anything about music. Suno takes a bit more time to learn, but it's still user-friendly. You type what you want and it creates it. Both are way easier than traditional music production. Boomy has a free plan that lets you create songs, but publishing them costs money. Paid plans start around $10 a month. Suno also has a free tier with 50 daily credits. Pro plans run about $8 to $10 monthly, and you get commercial rights to your music. So which one should you pick? Choose Boomy if you want something quick, easy, and affordable. For simple tracks, it's great for beginners and casual users. But if you want professional quality songs with vocals and lyrics, Suno is your best bet. It's the top choice for serious creators. Both tools are great. It just depends on what you need. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos. See you next time.